United Nations released $25 million funds for women-led organizations. The United Nations have released $25 million fund from the United Nations Central Emergency Response Fund that will aid the women-led organizations working to fight against the gender-based violence. Highlights: the funds were released by the United Nations Humanitarian Chief Mark Lowcock. Out of the funds, $17 million have been allocated to the United Nations Population Fund and $8 million have been given to UN Women. Both the organization UNFPA and UN Women have been asked to pledge 30% of the funds to women-led organizations fighting against the gender-based violence. The UN came up with this announcement during an annual international campaign named 16 Days of Activism Against Gender-Based Violence. 16 Days of Activism Against Gender-Based Violence. This campaign started on November 25, 2020. On this date, the International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women is observed. The campaign would end on December 10. On this date, the Human Rights Day is observed. Purpose of the funds. These funds are specifically allocated for the projects run by women focusing on the preventing violence against women and girls. The funds will also be utilized for helping the victims and survivors by providing the medical care, family planning, safe spaces, legal advice, mental health services and counseling. International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. The International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women is observed by the United Nations on November 25th every year. The day is observed to raise awareness regarding the fact that how the women across the world are vulnerable to domestic violence, rape, and other forms of violence. The theme of the day for this year is Fund, Respond, Prevent, Collect.